Hello everybody, welcome to Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH, and we're still at Fundamentals of Accountancy, Business and Management Part 2. This is Lesson 39, Analysis of Financial Statements Part 1, Horizontal and Vertical Analysis with Microsoft Excel Techniques. At the end of the video, you should be able to analyze financial statements horizontally, analyze financial statements vertically, and prepare analysis calculations using Microsoft Excel. So, medyo marami po kasing nagre-request na, Sir, sana po mag-teach din po kayo ng konting Microsoft Excel. So, I think this is the right time and the proper lesson for me to teach you some techniques in Microsoft Excel calculations. Okay? So, before anything else, please like, share, and subscribe to Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH and hit the notification bell button to alert you of the latest video lessons. For all of your questions, comments, and suggestions, please put them down in the comment section below. And for webinar and speakership invites and any other message that you want to say to me, please send it at kevintroy.chua1994@gmail.com. Okay? And again, thank you for your utmost support for Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH. We have now 6,000 subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng patuloy na nagtitiwala sa Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH. And may these videos continue to help students in their online learning and academic development. And may these videos continue to help teachers in enhancing their lesson plans and teaching methodologies. Muli, maraming salamat po. Okay, so let's have some shout-outs of your comments and some of the comments that I gathered in the past videos. So first is from Lady May Agnes Dinoy. Parang naging tutorial classroom and book ko na tong channel mo, sir. Salamat po talaga. Numbers chapter 6 verse 24. God bless you and keeps you. O nga, tama yan. Sabi ng Panginoon, sabi sa salita ng Diyos sa Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 is God bless you and He will protect you. So, maraming salamat po sa prayer mo na yan para sa akin, and thank you for using the YouTube channel as your tutorial classroom and your textbook. Hindi ko akalain na ititreat mo siya as textbook. So, I'm very happy to know that. Maraming salamat po. Also from, sorry, how do I pronounce this? Gina Kate, thank you po sir, ang laking tulong po. Less than 333. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, heart yan. Thank you po sir, ang laking tulong po, heart. Maraming salamat din po for your support, and I hope nagiging blessing po sa inyo itong YouTube channel kong ito. Okay, hindi ko alam kung na shoutout ko na to dati, pero nilagay ko uli dito kung sakaling na shoutout ko na siya dati. Sabi niya, flip-flop, sir, hello, question lang po, saan po kayo nagtuturo? Hahaha. Parang gusto kong lumipat ng school eh. Very understandable video, sir. You made accounting look so easy. Thank you. Maraming salamat po that you find the videos very understandable, and kung para sa'yo naging mas madali ang accounting dahil po sa mga video, ay thank you po. Yan naman po ang prayer ko, na maging madali ang accounting para sa inyo through my videos. Maraming salamat po. San po ako nagtuturo? Hanapin mo lang, dyan lang. Okay, so maraming salamat po. And also we have a bit of a wonderful comment coming from Scarlett O. Grabe sir, a teacher like you is such a blessing for you to inspire us more to learn and master the lessons in accounting. I don't know if I am just amazed by how you teach, because I really see your passion doing it. Because of that, the lessons can be easily understood. It's true that Bachelor of Science in Accountancy is not a piece of cake sort of a course, though I'm just a freshman and the real battle hasn't started yet. But having more teacher or educator like you, sir, would make the aspiring accountant's journey more fruitful. Thank you, sir, for uploading these lessons here in this platform. Stay safe, and I hope you'll be blessed 1,000-fold by the Almighty. 너무 감사합니다, 선생님. So, sinagot ko siya, sabi ko, Scarlett O, 정말 감사합니다. 난 행복해요. 스칼플 지원해 주셔서 감사합니다. 열심히 공부해. Okay, so Teka, nakaka-touch naman to. Maraming salamat But BSA ka pala, no? So, thank you po, Scarlett O, sa paggamit po ng Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH sa iyong battle. Ang tingin mo sa BS Accountancy na course ay isang battle, and that's true, that's correct. And thank you na you find my channel very helpful. And sabi mo, you're amazed by how I teach because because you see my passion doing it. Salamat po that you see me like that. Pero ang Panginoon lang din po ang nagbibigay sa akin ng kalakasan, ng power, and ng guidance for this. Ayun po. So, translate ko lang yung sabi niya, no mo kamsahamnida sonsenying. Maraming salamat po, teacher. Yan. So, sabi ko, Scarlett O, eto po, sabi ko, Scarlett O, 정말 감사합니다. Ibig sabihin, maraming salamat po. 난 행복해요. Ibig sabihin, I'm happy or I'm very happy. Scalpel 지원해 주셔서 감사합니다. Ibig sabihin, sabi ko, thank you for your support for Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH. 열심히 공부해. Mag-aral ka pong mabuti. Ayan. So, tinranslate ko rin po sa mga hindi nakakaintindi ng Korean. Okay? So, thank you po sa inyong mga support and your comments and your messages warms my heart. Maraming salamat po. Okay. So, in the last lesson, we learned about the preparation of all 4 comparative financial statements using trial balance information. So, sana na-practice nyo na po yung ating paggawa ng financial statements na comparative, 2 taon, and trial balance po yung pinanggagalingang information. Ganun po kasi talaga siya ginagawa sa opisina. May trial balance tayo, and then kailangan nating mag-prepare ng comparative financial statements. So, I hope po na yung past video before this one is nakatulong po ng matindi sa inyo na hindi lamang malaman kung paano gumawa ng FS is ang gusto ko rin po kasi doon is matutunan nyo rin po kung paano yung ginagawa namin sa opisina. So, parang industry-based learning po siya. So, ayun, sana na-practice nyo siya para competitive na kayo pagdating nyo ng college or kung gusto nyo na magtrabaho. Diba? Okay. So, let's start. So, let's talk about financial statements analysis. Yung previous videos natin, naggawa tayo ng Statement of Financial Position, Statement of Comprehensive Income, Statement of Changes in Equity, and Statement of Cash Flows. It's time for us now to analyze these financial statements. Okay, so the objective of accounting is to provide information that will be helpful in decision making. Totoo naman po yan. Babalik tayo sa pinakaunang videos natin. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang definition ng accounting is pagpo-provide po ng quantitative information which is financial in nature na nakakatulong po sa owners and managers para sa kanilang decision making, 'di ba? Truly enough, financial statements are able to provide information about the entity's financial position, financial performance, and cash flows. It is important for the owners and managers of the entity to be able to evaluate the results of all their business activities. Hindi po kasi sapat na pag natapos na ng accountant yung FS tapos na-submit na natin sa mga regulatory bodies like the Bureau of Internal Revenue or the Securities and Exchange Commission, tapos na, compliant na tayo, tapos palakpakan. Hindi siya ganun no? As owners and managers of the company, ang gusto natin, syempre, magtagal yung company, di ba? Okay? And syempre, kailangan natin pag-aralan yung operations natin. And one way that the owners and managers can be able to decide for the betterment of the company is analyzing kung ano po ba yung nangyari sa ating financial position, financial performance, and cash flow. Kaya po tayo magkakaroon ng tinatawag nating financial statements analysis. Okay, now, financial statements analysis helps owners and managers to, number 1, confirm past expectations. Okay? Pag ina-analyze natin yung financial statements, nako-confirm yung iniisip natin. Okay, for example, etong COVID-19 pandemic. Marami pong business ang nagsara. Kung di man nagsara, medyo bumaba ang benta. Pag yung financial statements natin, tinignan natin, mako-confirm natin yung naging past expectations natin na or past nating transactions na oo nga, bumaba yung sales ko kasi nag-COVID pandemic Nako-confirm nung ating financial statements yung pangyayari. Okay? Evaluate present financial results. nung inaaral na natin yung financial statements, ito ang current situation natin. So you are able to evaluate and you are able to decide ano kaya ang kailangan natin gawin sa susunod para mas mag-improve pa tayo. Okay? And in connection with that, syempre, your financial statements will also give you an information that would enable you to predict future outcomes. Nakikita mo yung trend ng mga previous mong financial statements. Uy, napapansin ko parang yung sales ko tumataas ng 5% every month. Uy, di congratulations, di ba? So because of the analysis that you made in your financial statements, maybe you can really expect that your sales will go up and up and up by 5% every month. Okay? So you are able to predict future outcomes. And apart from these three, syempre, ginagamit natin ang financial statements analysis para makapag-decide tayo ng next step na kailangan nating gawin. Okay? So it's important for owners and managers to analyze the financial statements so that they know the next course of action that they will do for the company to make it profitable and add value to the business, to the employees, and to the customers. We have 3 ways of analyzing financial statements. Actually, hindi lang naman 3 ways, no? Lalo na pagdating nyo ng college, marami pa kayong gagawing analysis ng financial statements at hindi lang kayo limited sa 3 to, okay? But the 3 main ways that we can analyze financial statements quantitatively is through, number 1, horizontal analysis. Number 2 is vertical analysis, and number 3 is the analysis through ratio interpretation. Ang pag-aaralan po natin in this video is yung horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. Sa ating pong lesson 40, yung next lesson po natin, dun po tayo mag-ratio interpretation. Okay, so let's first talk about horizontal analysis. How do we analyze financial statements horizontally? Paano po ba yung horizontal? Paano? Pag ganito, 'di ba? Coming from here to there. Pahiga, 'di ba? Horizontal. Okay. Horizontal analysis is the method of comparing and analyzing financial results of different accounting periods in each financial statement account and element. Ang kino-compare at ina-analyze po natin ay isang account title na pahiga. Okay? Pa-horizontal. 2020 versus 2019. Magkano ang change at ilang percent nag-change? Ayan, sige. So, try natin ngayon gawin yung horizontal analysis. The reason kaya ko kayo tinuruan ng comparative financial statements kasi ang analysis natin ng financial statements ay kailangan comparative information. Okay? Kasi kung yung nakasanayan yung paggawa ng financial statements ay isang year lang, hindi nyo ma-appreciate ng maayos tong FS analysis eh. Kaya po ako naglagay ng special lesson ng comparative FS para hindi na kayo nabibigla na 2 taon yung nakikita nyong financial statements. Okay? So, kung sakali pong hindi nyo pa nakikita or pinapanood yung special lesson, I suggest balik po muna kayo dun sa special lesson na ginawa ko para po sa pagpe-prepare ng comparative financial statements para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung FS analysis. Okay, so let's try. Ayan. So, medyo simplified FS na lang para hindi tayo ganong hirap. Huwag na tayong maraming account title. Cash, trade account receivable, merchandise inventory. Huwag na tayo mag-isa-isa. Ganito na lang muna kasimple. So, we have here a comparative balance sheet for 2020 and for 2019. Gagawan po natin siya ng horizontal analysis. Okay? First thing that we need to do is to compute for the change in amount. At nakukuha po ang change in amount sa pamamagitan ng current year, 2020, minus prior year, 2019. Okay? Let's try. Sa cash. The cash for 2020 is 500,000, while the cash for 2019 is 400,000. Ang sabi po sa formula, current year less prior year. 500,000 minus 400,000 is 100,000. Ngayon, compute naman natin yung ating percentage change. Paano po kunin yung percentage change? The amount change over the base year. I-divide daw po natin tong amount change na ito dito sa base year. Ang base year yung pinanggalingan, which is 2019. Okay, so 100,000 divided by 400,000 is 0.25. Convert nyo to percentage, 25%. Okay? So, medyo balikan nyo po yung inyong general mathematics and business mathematics sa pagta-transform ng decimal into percentage para hindi po tayo nalilito. Okay? Balik po kayo dun sa gen math and business math nyo. O ngayon, ano yan? Mamaya natin i-interpret kung paano. Pero, just to give you a preemption, ganito siya. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Noong 2019, 400,000 yung cash. Tapos, naging 500,000. O ano ibig sabihin? Tumaas yung cash ng 100,000. Tumaas siya ng 25%. Okay? O sige, try natin dito sa accounts receivable. Ang accounts receivable natin ng 2020 is 58,500 na nanggaling sa 90,000. O ngayon, titignan mo, galing ako 90,000, naging 58,500. Suma total, ang amount change mo ay negative 31,500. Sir, bakit po negative? Tingnan nyo mabuti. Galing ka ng 90,000 noong 2019, biglang ang accounts receivable mo noong 2020 naging 58,500 na lang. So, nagkaroon ng decrease. Pag nagkakaroon ng decrease ng amount, negative po ang ating presentation. So, pag kinompute na natin yung percentage change, which is 31,500 divided by 90,000, ang ating pong percentage change would be 35%. Pero, dahil decrease, yung percentage nyo ay dapat negative din. Okay? So, 31,500 ang naging decrease in accounts receivable at bumaba po ang accounts receivable from 2019 to 2020 ng 35%. Okay, last one, sa supplies tayo. Tapos yung mga susunod, papasadahan na lang natin and I'll give you time to compute. Okay? Yung supplies mo, 28,000 siya noong 2020, nagaling siya ng 40,000 noong 2019. O, paano yan? So, 28,000 minus 40,000, negative 12,000. Or nagkaroon po ng decrease in supplies ng 12,000 pesos. And then, 12,000 divided by 40,000 will give you a percentage decrease of 30%. Okay, ngayon, try nyo ngang i-compute yung amount change ng land. 360,000 galing sa 300,000. Okay, the correct answer is 60,000. O ngayon, i-compute nyo yung percentage change. The correct answer is 60 divided by 300, 20%. Sir, paano naman tong susunod? Hindi naman po nagbago yung equipment. 120, 120 pa din. Ano sa tingin nyo? Hindi nag-depreciate? Hindi. For example purposes lang naman to. Okay? So, syempre, ang lalagay nyo dito sa amount change is 0. So, sa percentage change, 0. Kaya mahihiya maglagay ng 0. Okay lang yon. So, sa total, ganun din po, 116,500 and then 12.26%. So, paano nyo ngayon i-interpret tong dalawang to? The total assets of the company increased by 116,500 or the total assets of the company increased by 12.26%. Okay? O, dito naman po, 151,500 minus 100,000 is 51,500, an increase of 51.5%. No change in notes payable, and then capital increased by 65,000, which is an increase of 10%. Okay? Which is, same din po, total liabilities and capital increased by 116,500, which is a 12.26% increase. Yan po ang ating horizontal analysis. Now, let me just give you a way to check if you really did it correctly. Okay. So, check nyo muna yung ganito. Okay. Kunyari, ang cash natin noong 2019 is 400,000. Tapos sabi sa analysis mo, tumaas daw siya ng 25% papuntang 2020. So, ang gagawin mo, ganito. Step 1, 400,000 times 25% or sa calculator nyo, 400,000 times 0.25. Ang lalabas dapat, 100,000. Okay? 100,000. Tapos i-add nyo ngayon yung 400,000 sa 100,000, dapat ang lalabas, syempre, 500,000. Okay? O ngayon, ito, 90,000. Multiply nyo sa 0.35. Lalabas yung 35%. Pero dahil negative, ima-minus nyo yung 31,500. So, 90,000 minus 31,500 is 58,500. Okay? So, ganun yung technique para masabi nyo kung tama or mali yung analysis nyo. Okay? So, ganyan po ang analysis. The entity's cash increased by 100,000 from 2019 to 2020. And the entity's cash increased by 25% from 2019 to 2020. Okay? So, by these information, makakatulong po siya sa managers sa pag-a-analyze ng kanilang financial statements. Masasagot na yung mga tanong, bakit kaya tumaas yung accounts payable natin by 51,500? Magkakaroon ka ng link, no, sa mga dati mong transactions. O di kaya, ano kaya tong increase in 60,000 na land? Bumili ba tayo ng bagong lupa? O di matitignan mo, di ba? Okay, matitignan mo kung gano'n. Syempre, alam naman ng company yun, di ba? Kung bumili talaga ng bagong lupa. But it confirms what happened in the past, di ba? Okay. Bakit kaya bumaba yung ating accounts receivable by 31,500? You can trace kung may nagbayad, di ba, na mga customer. Okay? Bakit kaya ang ating cash ay tumaas ng 25%? Tumaas bang ating sales? Yung mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, these numbers ay may ibig sabihin pag sila'y nai-interpret na. Okay? But syempre, for classroom purposes, ang focus natin is yung tamang pagko-compute nitong mga amounts na to. But in reality, in the industry, in actual practice, wala pong silbi yung mga numerong yan kung hindi natin alam i-interpret. Okay? So, it's not only analysis, it's better if you also know how to properly interpret things. Okay? So, dapat nga ang title ng topic na to is Financial Statements Analysis and Interpretation. Kasi kailangan ini-interpret nyo din. Dahil walang sa-isa yung mga numerong ito kung walang ibig sabihin. 'Di ba? Parang sa love lang, 'di ba? Ang sweet-sweet nyo tapos wala kayong label. Ay nako, ha? Wag ganon, ha? Hindi nyo maiintindihan yon. Walang interpretation. Mugot pa no? Okay. Paano naman po sa ating income statement? Ganon din, walang problema. Ganon din ang gagawin nyo. O, kunyari, net sales ng company ng 2020 is 5 million, then ng 2019 is 4 million. The amount change is 1 million. Nag-change ng 25%. Okay? O, dito tayo sa other income. 200,000, yung other income mo ng 2020, nagaling ng 300,000 nung 2019. Okay? So, 100,000 yung change pero negative kasi bumaba. Then the percentage change is 33.33%. Okay? So, dahil horizontal analysis, syempre, yun nga po, pa-horizontal yung ating analysis. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya. Para bang pag in-interpret mo, uy, our sales increased by 25% in a year. That's wonderful. Ngayon, nahanapin mo na ano kaya yung mga naging causes niyan. So, syempre, pag-uusapan nyo na sa inyong meeting sa opisina, ano kaya yung nagdulot ng pag-increase ng ating sales by 25% during the year 2020. That is wonderful. Congratulations. So, syempre, yung mga ganitong analysis na to, pwede na rin siyang maging basis na baka bigyan mo ng bonus yung mga empleyado mo. Oy, congratulations, yung sales natin tumaas ng 25%. Palakpakan tayo. Sige, bibigyan natin ng bonus yung ating mga sales agents dahil sa kanilang masipag na pagbebenta ng ating mga produkto. O di ba nagkakaroon ng ibig sabihin yung 25% na yan. Di ba? O ito pang isa. Operating expenses, 800,000 na galing sa 900,000. Sasabihin mo ngayon, aba, nakatipid tayo ng 100,000 sa ating pinagkakagastusan ng mga expenses. Bumaba ng 11.11%. Bakit kaya? Okay? So, when you now try to analyze and interpret what happened, it gives you now the proper decisions that you can make for the company. Okay? O, ito. Wow, our net income increased by 40% this year. What might be the reason? Okay? So, in the interpretations that you can put in these numbers, para bang lumilinaw siya, 'di ba? Nagkakaroon siya ng ibig sabihin, and you can properly decide for the next steps that the company should make. Okay? So that is your horizontal analysis. We proceed now to vertical analysis. O paano po yung vertical? Patayo, 'di ba? From here to here. Okay. Vertical analysis is the method of analyzing financial results, expressing each financial statement, account, and element as a component of a base. Ganito po ang itsura niya. By percentage lang tayo magko-compute. Ano po kaya yung component na yan? Okay? So, let's try again yung ating pong balance sheet kanina. Gagamitan naman natin ngayon ng vertical analysis. Okay. Ang sabi po ay component of a base. Ano po kaya yung ibig sabihin ng component of a base? Okay. The other term for vertical analysis is what we call common size analysis. So, ang ilalagay ko dito, common size. 2020 common size. Okay. Dahil sabi po natin, component of a base, ano po ba dito sa tingin nyo yung pinaka-base natin? Is it cash? Is it accounts receivable? Is it your total asset? Is it your capital? Ano kaya yung base? Siyempre, dahil component of a base, siyempre yung total assets, tsaka total liabilities and capital, yan yung mga base natin. So, sila yung i-express natin as 100%. At dahil component of a base, ang gusto nating malaman, ilang percent ng mga assets ko ang cash? Ilang percent ng mga assets ko ang equipment? Ilang percent ng liabilities and capital ko ang capital? Kukunin natin yung component niya. At paano siya gagamitin or gagawin mathematically? Ang numerator mo, yung account na gusto mong i-analyze, yung denominator mo, yung base mo. Okay? So, 500,000 divided by 1,066,500 is equal to 46.88%. Next, 58,500 divided by 1,066,500, 5.49%. 28,000 divided by 1,066,500 is 2.63%. Sige nga po, kayo po ang mag-compute. Magkano kaya ang common size analysis percentage sa land? The correct answer is 33.76% galing po sa 360,000 divided by 1,066,500. Sa equipment kaya. The correct answer is 11.25%. So, ganun lang din pong gagawin natin sa total liabilities and capital. Siya rin po yung 100% mo. This one divided by this one is 14.21%. For your notes payable, it's 18.75% and then your capital is 67.04%. Ngayon, paano mo i-analyze yan? Accounting equation ka ngayon. Ang assets mo, syempre, 100%. Ayun, iisipin ng company. Paano kaya natin fini-finance yung ating assets? Sa pamamagitan kaya ng utang o through equity or capital? Well, kitang-kita naman natin na mas malaki ang ating equity percentage. Ibig sabihin, yung mga assets natin is financed through equity, hindi ng mga utang. Pero, pag mas malaki yung utang mo kaysa sa capital mo, ang tawag naman sa'yo, debt financing. Mas marami ka kasing assets na financed by debt. Okay? By utang. Okay? So, gagamitin mo lang yung accounting equation para i-analyze siya. But in our example, our assets are financed more through equity. Ang tawag po doon, equity financing. Okay? So, ganun din po ang gagawin natin sa 2019. So, yun din po yung 100%. 400,000 divided by 950,000 is 42.11%. And then, this is for your accounts receivable, supplies, land, equipment. Okay, and then ganun din po sa baba. Accounts payable, notes payable, and your capital. Okay, how to interpret? For example, sa land, the entity's land comprises 33.76% of the entity's assets in 2020. So, parang ganito mo siya i-interpret. Sa lahat ng assets ko, ang land ay 33%. Halos 1/3. Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng pagmamayari ko, 1/3 niya ay nasa lupa. Okay? 1/3 ng assets ko, lupa. Okay. Another example. The entity's cash comprises of 42.11% of the entity's assets in 2019. Okay? So, halos kalahati. When I say halos kalahati, kasi malapit na siya sa 50%, di ba? Okay, so halos kalahati ng aking assets ay cash. Yun, okay? Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, walang saysay ang mga numero at percentage na ito kung hindi mo sila i-interpret. Ang vertical analysis po kasi ay pwede rin pong gamitin kung gusto mong i-compare yung sarili mo sa ibang kumpanya. Okay, paano yung sinasabi ko? Hindi mo pwedeng i-compare yung sarili mo na ang cash mo ay 500,000 pero ang total assets mo ay 1,066,500 sa isang kumpanya na katulad mo, same industry, kunyari pareho kayong food industry, na siya naman ang cash niya ay 4 million pero ang total assets niya ay 10 million. Parang medyo malabong i-compare yung sarili mo sa kanya. So, ang gagawin mo, computein mo yung common size analysis mo ng ganito. Tapos yung gusto mong i-analyze na competitor mo, i-compute mo rin yung ganitong common size analysis niya. By that way, parehong percentage na yung usapan nyo. Malalaman mo kung sino sa inyo yung mas mataas ang cash, mas mataas ang inventory, mas mababa ang utang. Okay? Again, I'm telling you that these percentages doesn't have any meaning if it will not be used in analysis and interpretation. Okay? So I hope you understand how to do the vertical analysis. Ito naman po ang vertical analysis natin sa income statement. Sa income statement naman po, ang ating pong base ay net sales. Okay? So, paano po nakuha tong 60% ng cost of goods sold? 3 million divided by 5 million. Itong 40% ng gross profit. 2 million divided by 5 million. Paano tong 16%? 800,000 divided by 5 million. Okay? Ito po kasi yung base mo, yung net sales. Ngayon, i-express naman natin siya ngayon in terms of 1 peso para mas lalo nyong maintindihan yung common size analysis. Okay? Paano siya na-convert into 1 peso? Di itong lahat na to, multiply mo lang by 1. Okay? Multiply mo lang siya by 1. Lalabas na yung 1 peso, 60 centavos, 40 centavos. Okay? Let's try to interpret. Dahil ang base natin ay net sales, yung benta natin will represent piso. Okay? Ngayon, punta tayo ng cost of goods sold. Ano nga po uli yung cost of goods sold? Yan yung amount ng binili mo na merchandise bago mo siya ibenta. Ibig sabihin, 60%, 60 centavos. Kada pisong benta ko, 60% pala yung halaga nung una ko siyang binili. Kaya kada pisong benta ko, ang tubo ko, 40 centavos lang. Ayun. Ganon. Okay? O, dito naman tayo sa operating expenses. Kada pisong benta ko, ang binabayaran ko palang pinagkakagastusan ko sa mga expenses ko, 16 centavos. Kada piso palang benta ko, ang binabayaran kong tax, 8 centavos. At kada piso palang benta ko, ang naiuuwi ko lang talaga na para sa akin as net income ay halos 19 to 20 centavos. Okay? So, mas nagkakaroon ng meaning, di ba, yung ating analysis. Okay? Mas nakikita ng managers na, hala, ba't parang ang taas ng ano ko? Or ang baba ng tubo ko? Ang taas ng aking gastos sa ganito, sa ganyan, di ba? Mas nai-interpret natin siya na maayos, lalo na in terms of 1 peso. Aba, kada pisong benta mo, ang talagang naiuwi mo lang para sa sarili mo as net income is 19 centavos, di ba? Ang binabayaran mo sa tax 8 centavos. Ang binabayaran mo sa pinagkakagastusan mo 16 centavos. Okay? So, I hope you understand kung paano natin nagagamit yung vertical analysis sa ating interpretations and decision making. Okay, so it's time for us to use Microsoft Excel. So, let us try calculating the analysis components through Microsoft Excel. Okay, so at this point, we will be discussing the use of Microsoft Excel and how Microsoft Excel will be able to help us do the calculations easily sa ating pong FS analysis. So, nasa harapan natin ngayon is our balance sheet na dinidiscuss natin din kanina. Doon naman po sa mga naunang slides natin yan. Okay? So, ang una nating i-compute is yung atin pong amount change sa ating horizontal analysis. Okay, sabi natin ng amount change po natin is tinitignan natin yung naging change from one year to another. So, ang magiging equation natin, so ang gagawin natin is i-click na natin yung mismong cell na kung saan natin siya i-compute. Tapos, type na natin yung equal sign para mag-uumpisa tayo ng tinatawag nating Microsoft Excel formula. Sabi natin kapag ka-amount change, it's 2020 or the current year minus 2019 the previous year. So, ang gagawin natin is i-click natin to 500,000, then lalagay natin minus 2019 prior year which is 400,000. And then click natin or type natin enter, lalabas na po yung 100,000. Okay? Try po uli natin dito naman sa accounts receivable. Okay. Dito naman po sa accounts receivable, ganun din. So, 2020, this one, okay, minus 2019, 90,000. Ang lalabas po natin is negative 31,500. Tapos, yung tinuro po sa inyo kanina kung paano yung interpretations. Okay? Ngayon, paano po natin siya mapapabilis na kesa iniisa-isa natin. So, ang gagawin po natin is pupunta po tayo. So, tanggalin ko po muna to ulit for example. Di ba po meron na tayong cell na meron ng formula. Yung formula na yan, pwede na po natin gamitin sa lahat ng yan dito sa column po natin ng amount change. So, ang gagawin po natin is i-copy lang po natin ito. Copy. And then, pwede rin po natin ditong paste. Ang paste options po natin gagamitin is pwedeng either this one or yung paste na normal or ito pong paste na may f of x. Ibig sabihin, ang mape-paste po sa kanya, formula. So, yan. Paste nyo lang dyan. So, mape-paste na po yung formula. Pwede natin gamitin sa supplies, then paste natin sa formula. Paste lang ulit tayo ng formula. Paste tayo ng formula. Paste tayo ng formula. Ayan po. So, yan din po yung sagot natin kanina. Okay, pero kung gusto nyo talagang mabilisan, so tatanggalin ko po uli ito. Okay, pwede nyo siyang i-copy, Control C. Again, that's Control C for copy. Tapos, click nyo po yung, sa keyboard po ako ha, click nyo po yung Shift, and then, down, 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 down. And then, type nyo po Enter, and the magic happens. Tapos na po yung analysis nyo agad-agad. Okay? So, paano? Meron pa akong liabilities and capital dito. Sa ganun din po uli. Control C. Tapos, pupunta po ako dito. And then, Shift, down, 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 and then Enter. At meron na po ako para sa liabilities and capital. Okay? So, gawin naman po natin siya ngayon dito sa percentage change. If you would remember, ang percentage change po is yung ating amount change divided by the base year or the prior year, yung pinanggalingang year ng ating analysis. So, equal sign lang po tayo. Select po natin yung amount change. Divide po natin sa base year. Then, type Enter. Meron na po tayong percentage. O, di ganun lang din po. O, try po natin sa accounts receivable. Equal po tayo. Tapos, amount change divided by base year. Lalabas po yung percentage change for accounts receivable. Negative 35%. Okay? Kung gusto po natin padaliin yung buhay natin, pwede rin po natin yung sinabi ko kanina. Copy po natin, then paste po natin yung formula. Paste po natin yung formula, paste po natin yung formula, paste po natin yung formula. Pero kung gusto nyo po na i-copy na lang ng dire-diretso yung ating formula, yung ginawa ko rin po kanina. So, select po tayo ng, di ba lahat po to may formula na. So, select lang po tayo ng isa. So, kunyari, ito na lang po, may formula din naman yan. So, Control C, magka-copy po siya, tapos, down, down, down. Tapos, Shift, down, down, down. Enter. Ayan. Meron ka na pong percentage change. Okay? Paano naman po yung common size analysis? Dun po sa ating vertical or common size analysis, kung matatandaan po ninyo, di ba, we divide the account into the total as a component of a base. So, ang equation natin is 500,000 divided by 1,066,500. So, paano po ang formula natin dito? That would be this one divided by this one. Yun nga lang po, remember na yung total assets po natin ng ating base, which is siya po yung 100%, diba? Kapag ka po, hinayaan lang natin na ganyan po yung formula, gagalaw po kasi yan. Yung D10. Gagalaw yan eh. So, sige, i-enter ko muna. Lalabas naman po talaga yung sagot, which is 46.88%. Pero pag basta ko lang po siyang kinopy at pinaste, parang mamamali na po tayo. Kasi, kung titignan nyo po yung formula, parang bumaba. Naku, paano ko po mapapadali yung division ko na dito pa rin po sa total assets siya madi-divide? O, di ganito gagawin natin ha. Okay, delete ko uli ito ha. So, ganun pa rin po. Cash divided by total assets. Pero, yung ating pong denominator sa ating division or yung ating divisor, okay, is lalagyan natin ng dollar sign. Makikita nyo po yun sa number 4, shift 4. And then, dollar sign bago dun sa letter at dollar sign bago dun sa number. Okay? Dollar sign bago yung letter tsaka dollar sign bago yung number. Ang tawag po dyan is nilalak po natin yung cell. Okay? Pag nilalagyan po natin ng dollar sign, nalalak po siya. So, enter po natin. Ngayon, wala na pong problema na i-copy natin yung formula. So, copy lang po natin and then try po natin i-paste. Ayan, 5.49%. Pag tinignan po natin yung formula, ayun po, accounts receivable pero sa total assets pa din. O, diretso po natin. Copy po natin and then paste po natin. Yan, pag chinek po natin yung formula, supplies naman po ang dinivide natin sa total assets. Okay? So, tuloy na po natin. Copy and then paste. Then, paste. And then, tama po yung analysis nyo pag ang lalabas po dito is 100%. Okay? Para mapadali po yung trabaho natin, pwede nyo rin pong gawin yung ginawa ko kanina na Control-C, Shift, down, 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 then Enter. Okay. Paano naman po sa liabilities and capital? Hindi po tayo pwede mag-shift down, down, down dyan dahil ang 100% po natin ay nasa total liabilities and capital. Though okay lang naman po kasi equal lang naman din po yung total liabilities and capital sa total assets. But anyway, I'll just show you again. So, ganun din po. Accounts payable divided by total liabilities and capital, pero lalagyan po natin ng $D, then $16. Pag in-enter po natin, yun na po yung percentage. Okay? Tapos, pwede na po tayong mag-copy, shift, down, 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 enter. Lalabas na po yung formula. Okay? So, 2019 CS is, paano po yan? So, ganun din po. 400,000 divided by total assets na 950,000 and then $sign, enter. Okay? Tapos, Control-C para makopy, Shift, down, 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 then enter. Ayan na po. Meron na tayo. O, dito naman po. Accounts payable divided by total liabilities and capital. Tapos, lalagyan po natin ng $sign, enter. Tapos, Control-C, Shift, down, 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 then enter. At natapos po natin yung ating analysis ng walang kahirap-hirap. Okay? Dito naman po tayo ngayon sa income statement. Papakita ko naman po sa inyo paano namin siya ginagawa sa office ng sobrang bilis. Di ganito lang po. Amount change, 2020 minus 2019. Enter. Tapos copy, shift, shift, shift down, and then that's it. Tapos na po. Percentage change. This one divided by this one. Tapos, shift down, down, down. Yun na po yun. Tapos na po. 2020 CS. O ano pong base natin pag common size analysis? Diba net sales? So, net sales divided by itself. Yan. Divide to itself ha para ma-establish natin yung 100%. Tapos shift down, 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 enter. O, tapos na. Tapos sa 2019 CS naman po ay ganun din. O, divide to itself. Huwag kalimutan lagyan ng $sign at ng $sign. Enter. O, try natin. Control-C, Shift, down, 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 and then Enter. At tapos na po ako sa analysis. Di ba ang saya mag-Microsoft Excel? Okay, so yung mga tinuro ko po na formulas po sa inyo is the same thing lang po na gagawin nyo po sa Microsoft Excel. Okay? So, I hope natuto po kayo and then balik na po tayo doon sa slides. Okay, so that's how you prepare yung ating pong calculations using Microsoft Excel. So, sana po nakatulong sa inyo yung simple representation natin ng paggamit ng Microsoft Excel. And since love kayong lahat ni Sir Chua, bibigyan ko kayo ng freebie. The file na ginamit po natin in presenting the Microsoft Excel techniques is available po doon sa ating description box para po ma-practice nyo yung Microsoft Excel natin. So, yung mismong Excel file po, binigay ko po sa ating link sa baba sa description box. Downloadable po yun. Pwede nyo po i-download and then para ma-practice nyo po kung paano gamitin yung Microsoft Excel sa ating pong FS analysis. Okay, so our next lesson, we're still on financial statements analysis and we will be analyzing financial statements using ratios. Ratio analysis. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH and hit the notification bell button to alert you of the latest video lessons. For all of your comments, questions, suggestions, please put them down in the comment section below. And for webinar and speakership invites and any other message that you want to say to me, please send me a message at kevintroy.chua1994@gmail.com. Okay? God bless po sa ating lahat. This has been Sir Chua's Accounting Lessons PH. To God be all the glory, honor, and praise. Thank you and have a great day.